dream space, it's a dome. What is it? Why do you need to ask? Sit in here, look around you, feel it, then you'll know. All this came in a small box the size of one big suitcase, and we built it here. With this dome, we've taken our normal way of working, of making very thin skins to create a very strong structure, and blown it up to make an architectural space. So it's an experiment of how far can we take the process into big structures. And it's amazing that the timber is 5 millimeters thick, and yet this whole structure, 4.5 meters in diameter, is incredibly rigid. And it's what we're, I guess, trying to do is take some of our kind of New Zealand way of looking at the world, a way of thinking, of seeing things slightly differently, out to the world, our creative thinking, to show that in New Zealand we're not just rugby players, but we do have a whole design culture in New Zealand that's very strong. This dome is made from pine, which has been thermally modified, so it makes it durable for outdoors without adding any nasty chemicals. This dome can be used either indoors or outdoors. We're realizing it actually has quite a good market potential here in Europe. We used to sell all these lights made up, and we were shipping large boxes, mostly of air, and we found that was quite a bad issue for the environment. So I've redesigned all of them so they can be now made as kit sets. And we've kind of invented this story about a seed. So why fill one truck with a tree when you can fill a truck with thousands of seeds and then plant the seeds and watch them grow? So that's the concept of the seed system, which is a kit set system which allows the user to have the pleasure, the fulfillment, the enjoyment of making them, and also knowing that they'll help the environment by transporting a small packed flat box. And now all our models are designed parametrically, which means we can scale them up, we can change them very easily on the computer to show how the system is very adaptable to whatever scale you want. So you can take a seed and plant it and make a small light, or you can take another seed and plant it and make a big dome. So we took that process of making skins, structures like we do with the lights, and blew it up to make a big dome.